And hopefully we can also appeal to the public na and our industries na wala pong profiteering and hoarding, because that will really affect the supply of the entire country. Not only the gas stations, pero yun po yung mga nangangailangan, they will be affected also the industries po and the households.
Muling umapela si Department of Energy Secretary Sharon Garin sa publiko na magpasensya, magtipid at iwasan ang pagho-hoard ng gasolina o mga produktong petrolyo. Umapela rin siya sa mga oil companies na huwag mag-profiteering dahil makakaapekto ito sa buong ekonomiya.
So, so far yung prices po, due to the oil deregulation law, we have been coordinating with the oil companies and we've been participating also. But USECOIMP is the one in charge in making sure that there is no abuse on the part of the gas station. So, yun po, multi-agency po yung involved dyan.
Pero sa kanyang panayam sa media, inanunsyo ng secretary na may nakaambang one-time, big-time oil price hike simula ngayong araw, March 24.
Depending on the type of gas, the range could be, for gas it would be 8 to 12 pesos, the adjustment for today or for this week. Diesel will be 15 to 18 pesos. Diesel plus is 15 to 18 pesos and kerosene at 12 to 22 pesos. This is still a big jump, even though it is smaller than last week, but this is still a significant jump, considering that it will still affect our transportation industry as well as all industries, as well as the buying power of our households.
Samantala, galit na galit naman si Senator Loren Legarda sa Senado dahil di umano sa hindi consistent na paninindigan ng Marcos administrasyon sa suspension ng fuel excise tax.
Excuse me, hindi po nag-break ang Senado na hindi inaaksyonan ang hinihiling ng executive. Dalawa ang inyong hiningi. Excise tax, napasa namin. At sabihin nyo on the record, kailan nyo mai-implement yan at ang gulo ninyo. Sinabi nyo, excise tax, kailangan urgent. Nung napasa namin, sinabi, we will see. Yan, galing sa inyo yan ha, kung gagamitin. Tapos, the next day, o sige na nga. Ano ba? Ano ba? Kailangan ba? Hindi.
Nagalit din si Legarda dahil wala raw sa Senate session ang DOE Secretary na si Garin.
Ang secretary nga ninyo, wala dito eh. Kung anong pamumulitik ang ginagawa na naman ng secretary nyo.